Today is Sunday, April 24th, and I've got the puppies out here, and two of them are up on top of the large dog crate fighting. Oh my goodness. They're going to the top of the doghouse. It's almost 8 o'clock. Don't do that. No. Oops. Oops. You better come on back over. Don't jump off. Now what are you going to do? Now that y'all got up there. Oop, here comes another one from the other side. These aren't Border Collie puppies. They're little monkeys disguised as Border Collie puppies. They're pretending. Oop, here comes a little tribe from the other side. There's North Carolina and Las Vegas. Colorado's on the other side. Going to be knocked off. That's a whoops. Oh my gosh. These are the imported Mick and imported Jemma puppies. One has gotten down. I can't believe this. That is not good, you guys. Oops. Okay, come on. There goes Las Vegas, just leaped off the crate. This probably, it's so dark, I just happened to look out and saw him.